Come on in. I think this is from the original school because they moved campuses moved site. But yeah, welcome to the painting studio.
Today, Art Off the Rails is visiting the Institute of American Indian Arts in Santa Fe for a studio tour with Juniper Rose Anderson, a queer Ho-Chunk and Navajo artist originally from Madison, Wisconsin. Juniper began showing and selling her work through SWIO youth markets, earning an honorable mention in 2010, and has continued expanding her practice across watercolor, acrylic, jewelry, and beadwork. Today, we're stepping into her creative space, diving into her process, her influences, and what she's most excited about for the future.
We would come down. My mom's originally from here, so we would come down every summer for the SWIO market, and my mom would have a booth and everything, and she would set out a blanket and we'd color in like coloring pages, and we'd rip them out and sell them for quarters, and that kind of grew into like making our own work and selling in the booth with her, and she really fed our artistic appetites.
Artistic appetites,
Yeah.
I love that.
While others search for inspiration, Juniper grew up in it. Her biggest inspiration? Not a classroom, but curbside with...
My mom, she actually graduated from here.
Really?
So yeah, so she's an alum from here. I originally was going to art school in Wisconsin at UW Stout,
Okay.
and I took a couple semesters there, and then I wasn't really feeling it, so I took, I think, maybe 2 years off, and then I remember I was scrolling through Instagram, and I was just really feeling down, and my Instagram was like full of art, and it was kind of this epiphany I had of like, I can go do this again, I can try it again and see how it goes, and just like the kind of commitment to myself of like, I'm gonna go back to art school. It was like this weight was like lifted off my shoulders. Like I was so happy and excited. I don't know how to describe it. Almost like I fit. Like I fit here. It just made sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
Found your group of people.
Yes, for sure. It's that's one thing I'm gonna miss when I leave is like the community and like being in a space like this with so many other artists and like being able to like bounce ideas off of each other and concepts and like learning other people's cultures and way of seeing things. It's like, it's really important as artists that we are able to see like different, I don't know, perspectives.
IA added new layers to her work, but it also brought her back to herself.
One thing that definitely keeps me grounded, the campus is like so beautiful, like it's so like a privilege to be able to like walk around and go outside and be surrounded by these like beautiful mountain ranges and plants and stuff. So definitely like connecting with nature. And music, a lot of music.
There's something powerful about starting with what you have, even quarters, and turning that into a foundation. Seeing that evolve into these portraits shows how far belief in yourself can actually take you.
Yeah, it was a lot of trial and error. We don't have a portrait class here. We have figure drawing and things like that. So it was a lot of research on how other people are painting portraits, how other Native people are doing Native portraits. But yeah, definitely a lot of research, and I definitely had breakthroughs throughout the process of like, oh, this really works, or oh, that doesn't work at all. I'm working on my senior project, and there are 4 large paintings, and I'm really struggling, you know, as you know, artists, we kind of hit blocks and kind of stagnant times, and I really wanted some like instant gratification, so I found this really sweet picture that I had taken. I take breaks, but I try not to take long ones. So sometimes if like on these larger scale pieces, I'll paint for an hour and I'll rest for an hour. And then I'll paint for another hour and then I'll rest for another hour because I just kind of need to get that momentum back up. And then I think when the piece is coming along in a way that I'm really happy with, it just like flows out of me. And it's like, I can't stop painting actually. Being an artist is so much more important than people might make you feel about, you know, being an artist or wanting to do this sort of thing, but it is so important that our voices are heard and seen and appreciated, and I kind of view art as like a language and almost like poetry, with how you're weaving concepts and culture into something that really resonates with people. So it's really important, the job of an artist, and I feel like people don't always say that.